Black Cat Crafts, the channel that helps you personalize your Halloween village. Hi, this is the creator behind Black Cat Crafts YouTube channel. I'm doing a This Is My Thing collab with 5 fabulous hosts, so check the description box below to learn more about Yetka Creazione, Kiki's DIY, Daisy's DIY, Kari T, and Deborah Cabasa. Black Cat Crafts channel is a DIY channel focused on Halloween DIYs, and I do these for all levels of artistic talent. So my specialty is with the Halloween villages, the Halloween miniatures, and my goal is to make personalizations available to everyone, not just people with all the big bucks. This is a hobby that's rapidly becoming expensive, as many of these Halloween miniature village pieces aren't made in large numbers. So you see them resold on eBay for sometimes hundreds and even thousands of dollars. I don't have that kind of money, so that's why I started this channel. I wanted to add a personal touch to a lot of my villages and also duplicate some of the more expensive pieces that I simply don't have the budget for. So that's what my channel is all about. So check out all of my playlists, some of the miniatures that I developed, and then I've started doing dioramas, so ways to display your Halloween village pieces. After all, you have these amazing, intricate, spooky pieces, so let's make an elegant Gothic way to show them off. So again, I hope to see all of you. I want everyone to enjoy my channel. So even if you don't have a doctorate degree in art, you're gonna love my channel, because there are times where I will say things like, hey, if you're looking for a shortcut, or maybe I'm hand drawing something and that's not your area of expertise, there are ways around it. Maybe it's a printable, maybe it is a shortcut with something that you purchase from the dollar store. I'll include those in my videos to make this process the right level for you, to make sure that your unique style comes through your crafts. I can't wait to see you on my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone you know will absolutely love ways to personalize their Halloween village. You can also check out these other videos on my channel that will help you make the most of your Department 56 and Lemax layouts.